push-button TRITON series control, GFCI, and fuse replacement. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. We will assume you already have verified you have a good power source. Locate the GFCI on the back of the unit. The GFCI has both a test and reset button, and a green power and an amber monitoring light. Both lights should be illuminated if working properly. If they are not, press the test and then reset buttons. If they still do not illuminate, then it could be a bad GFCI, but we need to investigate the fuse before determining. Remove the fuse by pushing in on the cap and turning counterclockwise. Verify it is not blown. If so, please replace it with one of equal type. To reinstall the cap, push in and turn clockwise. Verify the cap is properly secured and locked. Retest the GFCI and reset. If this does not fix the issue, we will now replace the GFCI. You do not have to remove the control housing to replace the GFCI. With the power disconnected from the control, remove the top faceplate assembly by removing the 4 cap head screws and lift the faceplate out of the way. With the power disconnected from the control, verify all wires are secure going into the connection buses. If you find a loose one, reseat it and test the control again. Remove the 2 bolts holding the GFCI to the rear housing. Leaving the wires connected, remove the old GFCI and install the new GFCI back into the housing. It is recommended that you transfer 1 wire at a time from the old GFCI to the new one to avoid mixing up the lines. Note: the GFCI has a line inside and a line outside. It is important to not confuse them or connect power supply to the line outside, as it will damage the GFCI. The line in black wire goes to the fuse side, and the line out black wire to the main circuit board side. The wires can be easily replaced by pulling the orange lever on the side of the wire bus back until it locks in place. Remove the wire. Upon replacing the wire, push the wire all the way in and push the orange lever back towards the wire bus. Pull on the wire to verify it is seated and secured properly. After all the wires have been reconnected, use zip ties to bundle the connector buses back together, as they originally were, and cut the excess end of the zip ties off with a pair of wire cutters. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Before resecuring the top faceplate assembly to the control housing, power up the control and verify it works properly. Reassemble the top faceplate. Replace the 4 cap screws in the corner of the faceplate.